Hello there, welcome back to the cooking duo. I hope you've all been doing well. Today I've cooked a simple chicken dish that uses just 5 main ingredients, but it is bursting with flavor. So let's begin. Alright, so I've got 700 grams of chicken thighs over here, to which I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a half teaspoon of white pepper powder, but you could use ground black pepper instead, a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and salt to taste. Mix everything together and keep it aside for at least half an hour if you have the time. This can also be frozen overnight and cooked the next day. Next, to a pan over medium heat, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. You'll know the oil is hot enough when you can feel the heat with your hands. Now I'm going to add the chicken. And I'll stir them every few minutes to make sure the chicken doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And I'm going to keep doing this until the chicken has released all of its water. Like so. At which point I can cover it with a lid, increase the heat to medium-high, I didn't have to add any water because the chicken completely cooks in its own juices. Let the chicken cook for the next 10 to 15 minutes until all of the liquid evaporates. At this point the chicken's done, but I want to incorporate a few vegetables. So I add 1 cup of roughly cut capsicums and half a cup of roughly cut onions. I'm going to turn the heat down to a medium-low and let everything cook for 5 to 7 minutes to allow the capsicums and the onions to soften just a little bit. And there we have it, a minimalistic chicken dish. I hope you've liked today's recipe, and if you did, please do click the like button and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time, Allah Hafiz.